What if I told you the waste sitting in your recycling bin is actually a bespoke designer masterpiece waiting to happen? Sparkles most people see trash. At Beki Décor, we see structural material alchemy. Today, we're decoding the cardboard revelation, from modular furniture to astonishing tube hacks that will transform your room into a soulful sanctuary. Let's build luxury from the ground up. Welcome back to Beki Décor, where organic minimalism meets sustainable artistry. I'm Beki. I'll never forget the first time I turned a cardboard box into a functional piece of furniture. It started as a budget-friendly experiment and became a lifelong passion for material alchemy. Today, we are mastering creative cardboard crafts that look like they belong in a high-end gallery. Whether you're in a tiny apartment or looking for eco-friendly DIY furniture, these projects prove that you don't need a luxury budget to have a designer life. Let's get grounded. The Cardboard Revelation Chapter 1. The Modular, Secret, Cardboard Furniture. Luxury is about structural integrity. Step 1. Use sturdy, double-walled corrugated cardboard. Step 2. Master the slot assembly. This is material alchemy. By forgoing messy glues for geometric locking, you create a modular shelving unit that is lightweight yet incredibly strong. This isn't just a box. It's a functional anchor for your room that reflects a high-end, eco-friendly aesthetic. The Cardboard Revelation Chapter 2. The Origami Lounge. Sculptural seating. We're practicing scale manipulation. Most people don't think comfort when they think cardboard. But an origami-style lounge chair uses geometric physics to distribute weight. Step 1. Follow the grain of the cardboard for maximum strength. Step 2. Seal it with a matte clear coat. It's a bespoke statement piece that brings tactile warmth to your living space for absolutely zero cost. The Cardboard Revelation Chapter 3. Tube Alchemy, Small Space. Don't ignore the small scraps. DIY ideas with cardboard tubes are perfect for apartment living. Step 1. Group your tubes into a honeycomb rhythm. Step 2. Paint them in a monochromatic matte tone. This creates linear rhythm on your desk or wall. They are lightweight, flexible, and turn trash into a curated display of your personal style. The Cardboard Revelation Chapter 4. The Limestone Finish, the designer secret. The final 10% is the surface transformation. Step 1. Mix your paint with baking soda and sand to hide the corrugated lines. Step 2. Stipple it on. This creates tactile opulence. Suddenly, your cardboard nightstand looks like hand-carved limestone. This is the secret to sustainable luxury. It's not about what the material is. It's about what it becomes. Before you go out and rescue that next delivery box from the bin, I just wanted to say a sincere thank you. Thank you for spending these moments with me at Beki Décor. Your willingness to see the beauty in the discarded is what makes this community of mindful creators so special. Every time you share a photo of your cardboard builds, you inspire me to keep pushing the boundaries of sustainable artistry. If you haven't already, I'd love for you to officially join the family. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for being here and for making this space so special. I'll see you in the next one. As we look at these finished pieces, remember, today wasn't just about cardboard or saving money. It was about resourcefulness. It was about proving that your creativity is more powerful than your credit card. Your home is the sanctuary where your life unfolds. And when you build it with your own hands, especially from materials the world has forgotten, you infuse it with a soul that money simply cannot buy. You don't need a luxury budget to have a designer life. You just need the vision to see the throne in the cardboard. Thank you for letting me be a part of your story today.